In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate app to HubSpot.com to set up and install the Salesforce app effortlessly. This is a seamless way to enhance your HubSpot experience by integrating Salesforce into your workflow. Let's get started and walk through this process together, step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the trial guide on HubSpot. You can get there by typing in or clicking the link provided. This will bring you to the main interface, which contains a wide range of tools and options to explore. Take a moment to look around, and once you're ready, direct your attention to the Marketplace option. You'll find the Marketplace either in the menu bar or possibly a drop-down, depending on your screen. Clicking on the Marketplace is an easy step that opens up a new world of available apps and extensions that HubSpot has to offer. Now, in the Marketplace, you'll want to click on the Apps section. This is your destination for finding the Salesforce app. The Apps section is a curated space within the Marketplace where you can explore various integrations and tools to enhance your sales and marketing efforts. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll notice there might be a search bar available. This is where you'll want to direct your attention next. Next, it's time to find Salesforce specifically. In the search bar, type in Salesforce and hit Enter or click the search button. This action will initiate a search through HubSpot's extensive list of available apps. It's not uncommon for several options to pop up, but keep your eye out for the official Salesforce application that matches your needs. Look for clear indications like logos or specific naming conventions to distinguish this app from any others that may appear in your search results. Once you've located the Salesforce app, you're almost there. The final major step is to click on the Install App button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it should be relatively easy to spot. Clicking this will start the installation process, which may involve a few additional prompts or confirmations. Depending on your HubSpot settings, be sure to follow any on-screen instructions carefully to ensure the app integrates correctly. There you have it, a straightforward method for accessing, locating, and installing the Salesforce app through HubSpot's Marketplace. By following these steps, you now have a powerful tool integrated into your HubSpot account, ready to help you streamline your customer relationship management and sales activities. Integrating Salesforce with HubSpot can offer you insight and flexibility, empowering your sales approach and aiding in achieving your business goals. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.